Do you find any shortage of vaccines supplied from the government?
Yeah, the main problem is, yeah, hospital, and which was that he was he had some anxiety like symptoms, okay, and they were means he was not feeling good, and he was means more active than usual, means abnormal activity. So when he arrived in our hospital, then we saw that it's not normal, and he also had history of dog bite, or it was on his face. So knowing the symptoms and according to the protocol, we referred him to the higher center, that is Diffu Medical College. So he went and he was admitted there. So when there also he couldn't be saved, and he expired.
Oh, yes.
So mean his death was due to means no negligence, you can say. He could have came to the hospital and took vaccination, but yeah, that's the reason.
So some of those victims they did not complete the course. So what will be the message for them and the
Yeah,
general public who has not been involved in this case?
yeah. It's very important to identify. Okay, to identify the dog bite and to know and what to do. They should know that the first step should be always to wash, means to put the affected area or the bited area in the running water for at least 15 minutes. Okay, and then immediately come to the our health facility so that they can be vaccinated. And regular immunization is very must.
Okay, is it compulsory to take vaccination with the victims who have been involved with the victims? It is necessary to take a vaccination.
Yeah, it's very necessary, like any kind of exposure, any kind of not even bite, any
Okay.
kind of scratch.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, actually we divide the dog bite in three categories, that is category 1, category 2 and category 3. So in the first category is like the skin is intact, there might be a small scratch or something.
Okay.
That is also even considered as dog bite,
Dog bite.
in medical terms.
Alright.
So, and in category 2 is like there is some kind of means the upper mucous membrane of the skin has came out, or maybe slight bleeding. So that comes into category 2. And in third category is like when it tears the skin out or it's laceration like thing. Okay, so the general message to the public is that they should come to the hospital and we will determine that. But any kind of contact with dog or something which seems a bit suspicious, they can always come to our clinic. We'll watch.
Is there any news from the authority that to hold some awareness campaign regarding this?
Yeah, yesterday there was a online meeting
Okay.
for the whole Karbi Anglong district from
Alright.
Diffu. So there is also helpline number, like if people are confused and they are not able to travel or come to our clinic, they can call in 104. That's a helpline number for any rabies. You will get the information from throughout that. And yeah, we are also planning from our hospital to organize a awareness camp, like what to do and how to manage this disease. And the main problem of this disease is that only that it's once the symptoms arrive, the incubation period is means from the onset of the bite till the first occurrence of the symptoms, it's about 2 months, minimum 2 months. So people need to know about that and what to do and how to means manage this disease. And once if once if the symptoms arrive, then it's 100% fatal. No, means there are only about 8 to 10 cases in a whole world who have been saved. Rest everyone, if the symptoms have arrived, they have not survived. So people need to know about this. So we will organize a health camp in coming days.
Do you have any idea of identifying the abnormal dog?
Uh,
Or how do you have any contact with this veterinary? Because killing these old dogs, we have to report it to the veterinary. Then they will do according to their instruction.
yeah, yeah,
Because we cannot identify them. So what will be your message to them?
We can contact the authorities who means just carry the street dogs who seem to be suspicious. So there are teams available. So we need to inform them and we need to call them for the thing. And rest we need to be careful, like the dogs, which means domestic dogs. So they need to be vaccinated.
They need to be
They need to be vaccinated. This is also a message to the public. They means if they are vaccinated, then there is a very less chance. Any kind of pets. Like it's not only dog. Overall mammals. It can be any mammal. It can be a bat. It can be a donkey. It can be a cow. It can also be a cat. Anything.
Yes, yes.
So we need to be careful. That's the main thing. And if we are keeping domestic pets, it's our foremost responsibility to get them vaccinated.
Vaccinated.
To save ourselves and to save the whole society.
Okay. Thank you.